To add two fractions, a over b plus c over d, first thing we need to start by finding the LCM of the denominators of the two fractions. And getting the LCM, we are simply going to multiply d by d, which gives us bd. We are going to divide bd by b, it gives us d. D times a gives us ed, plus bd divided by d gives us b. B times c gives us bc. So this will give us ed plus bc all over ed. Let's take for example eg. Let's add a half plus 1/3. We know the LCM will simply be 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. 3 times 1 remains 3, plus 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. 2 times 1, 2. 3 plus 2 gives us 5 over 6. And this is the result.